What is the real meaning of kitchen dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of kitchen dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees the kitchen in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates that you have all kinds of necessary skills, knowledge and experience to get the desired results in life. So this is the right time to set some new and big goals according to priority in life to use your skills, knowledge and experience in life. Because something big and positive is waiting for you in the coming future. That will change you and your life completely in positive ways. Now number 2. If someone sees a clean and organized kitchen in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity and new opportunities for success due to harmony and peace in life, as well as you are going to get success in your work, project or planning very easily in the coming future. Now number 3. If you see a dirty or unorganized kitchen in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to change your attitude towards life as soon as possible. Because some kind of negative thoughts, feelings, fears or worries are hindering your progress in life. So to avoid these things, you just need to adopt a positive attitude towards life, as well as you should focus on your strengths rather than weaknesses in real life. Only then you will be able to grab new opportunities for success in real life. Now number 4. If you see cooking or preparing food in the kitchen in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates an upcoming good time in which you will easily succeed in your work, project or planning due to your skills, knowledge and creativity. So this is the right time to set some new and big goals in life because now you are going to achieve them very easily. Now number 5. If someone sees eating food in the kitchen in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication soon in the form of success in real life. Now number 6. If someone sees cleaning the kitchen in a dream, then it indicates the ending of all kinds of life problems soon, which have been bothering you for a long time. So this is the right time to bounce back in life with a positive attitude after making new goals in real life. Now number 7. If someone sees serving food to others in the kitchen in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, success, prosperity in the coming future, or you will be successful in your current plans very easily in real life. Now number 8. If you see any known person in the kitchen like a family member or any relative in a dream, then it indicates good bonding with family and relations. But if you see any stranger in the kitchen in a dream, then it indicates that you are going to meet someone special in the upcoming time that will help and support you in real life. Now number 9. If someone sees cleaning the utensils, plates, etc. in the kitchen in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are ready to face and beat all kinds of life challenges due to your positive attitude towards life. That will give you the desired results in the coming future. Now number 10. If someone sees an empty kitchen in a dream, then it indicates emptiness and lack of clarity in goals and direction in life. And due to this you are feeling stuck in life. So to avoid these problems, this is the right time to set some new goals according to priority in life. Only then you will be able to beat the boredom and emptiness in real life. Now number 11. If you see a burning, damaged or exploding kitchen in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to change your attitude towards life. Because due to any kind of fears, worries and negative emotions, you feel stuck in life. So to avoid these things, you just need to follow your heart in life. As well as you should focus on your strengths rather than weaknesses. Only then you will be able to find the right direction and desired results in real life. Now number 12. If someone sees cooking utensils in the kitchen in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates an upcoming good time in which you will get success in your work, project or planning due to your unique skills, knowledge and experience in real life. Now number 13. If you see a new kitchen in a dream, then it indicates the beginning of something that will give you tremendous success in the coming future. As well as this dream also symbolizes good luck, success, prosperity and harmony in life in the coming future.